Hi Barbie doors! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing pink food cooking. I've been doing savory pink food last couple times, so today is some dessert. And remember, I got these Barbie cocktail glasses at Barbie convention this year, so I want to make some dessert which would look perfect in these glasses. It's my original recipe, so I don't know how it goes, but finger crossed. Here's my Barbie pink pan. First layer, I'm gonna use this cranberry juice. For darkest pink, this color was perfect. And it's organic, so healthier, right? I put this juice. 1 2/3 cup. Turn the heat on, but we have to be careful. Do not let it boil. So you gotta keep watching the pan. We also want to put gelatin. And I put 1 pouch. And keep stirring. And like I said, don't let it boil, okay? Make sure all the powder melted. Now I think it's melted. It smells so good. Okay, so let it chill just a little bit. I'm using frozen strawberries and already thawed. Just cut into like tiny pieces. Here I use these Barbie glasses. So I got these from at convention. Someone made them, and I put strawberries on the bottom. Now I put this juice. Actually, they don't look that pink so far, but it's okay. It's gonna be fine. So first, I'm gonna put this in the fridge. So it's been 1 hour so far, and the jelly totally looks like solid. And now I put the second layer. I need some milk. 1 1/2 cup. The first layer I made too much, so this time I make it less. 1/4 cup of sugar. And turn on the heat. So we need to keep stirring. And we can put food coloring a little bit. If you didn't want to put food coloring, I think you could try with raspberry. But today I don't have raspberry, so I'm putting food coloring. And sometimes people ask me if I eat pink food all the time. And of course the answer is no. You know, I'm doing this for fun, but I eat regular food too. No worry, Doris, I'm not eating pink food all the time. Okay, so now sugar is melted. I want to put gelatin. I've been mixing like over 3 minutes so far. Almost melted, I think. And now turn heat off. And let it chill a little bit. Okay, so now I can put the second layer. That'll be fine. Or you know what? Maybe I think I was too rough when I put the first one, so I should put it really gentle. And I put these in the fridge again. From the side, it looks like this. So far, 2 layers. So excited! It's gonna be super cute. Now I wanna make 1 more color or jelly part. I use this the lightest pink lemonade. And rest of gelatin. Again, don't let it boil. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, I think it's melted. Turn the heat off. Any container is fine. Put it in fridge. Now look like this. I put this edible glitter on pink lemonade jello, and so it's kind of sparkly. Let me crush jelly. I'm gonna just cut randomly so they will look even shinier. Yeah, they look super cute. Let me put a little more glitter here. Oh my god, look. I've never seen pink glitter jelly. So it's gonna be the top layer. More glitter. できた! Look! How cute! Ta-da! Look, it came out super cute. Pink glitter jelly. You know what? After I put jelly inside, I cannot see Barbie anymore, but it's okay. Let me try some. いただきます. Pink lemonade jelly. So yummy. So yummy. This is so good and like perfect for summer, I think. The pink milk jelly part is kind of sweet, so when you eat with lemonade part, I love. This is really good. Now let me try it with the bottom part too. I'm so proud of myself that I put real strawberries inside. It totally makes it taste better. This is good. This is really good. The fun part is you could use any kind of juice you like. Like today, I used cranberry juice with strawberries, milk and sugar, and pink lemonade with edible glitter. Really good. I totally recommend. You know, summer is almost over, but it couldn't be over until you try this one. キラキラ! かわいい。超かわいい。Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie Day. Bye.